Hello again. Well, this is the Squire SAL40. I picked it yesterday, and I'm going to gut it today um, for Graham, really, because he's interested to see what's inside. Um, Can I get that out? Must be it. Let's put that over there. What have we got here? Well, let's use a pick to get this off. Okay. Bit of fingers and thumbs today. What's going on down there? Oop, there we go. That came out. Whether you're interested in that. Ooh, that's a greasy little thing. It's nasty. What's that? We got a bit of tissue here. Sort of ringer we got on that. Oh, that's not going to come off like that. That's quite tight, actually. Trouble is, I can't bloody see it. Can't see where it ends. I've got another thing in here. That's probably miles too bloody big. Yeah, might use that later though. That one's too big. I'm just going to pause you while I do this. Take this off. There we go. Blooming thing. Keys. Now then, shimmy, shimmy, shim. Seems very tight, all this. It's tight. Oh. I'm very buttery fingered today. There we go, I think that's done. That'll do it, I think. Oops. As old Thumper says, be lucky, be lucky. Right, well there we go. Of course, it's ever so sticky in there. Right, well let's get them out. Yeah. Is that going to lift any of them out? Not really. Weird, 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 weird. That is weird. That is. Right, let's get. There's one. too. It's very, very sticky. I'm going to degrease this for the just for the shits and giggles, as they say. Actually, being so greasy explains a bit, actually. There we go. Quite nice little ordinary pins. Horrible feeling to them, of course. Come on. Right, well that's that little lot done. Put that one up there. Right, number one. Ooh. I'll show it all to you later, you know, when I've got it all out. Quite a strong one. Standard. Spill. Quite a nice little spool. 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 Oh, is it? No, it's not. It's just a normal one. I'll leave those springs in there, I think. Put them like that. Right, so what we got? Here we go. I'll put you down a bit. You can see them. Right, Graham. So what we got here, focus, 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 is we've got an ordinary standard driver pin. They're all sticky, these pins at the bottom here. They're just little ordinary spool, 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 ordinary one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap those around and put some other pins in as well. So it just makes it a tiny bit harder. That's the if I go like that, will it? No, it's not doing anything, is it? Oh, hey. My camera's doing something. It's on my phone. My bloody phone is useless. There we go. That's a bit better. I touched it. There we go. So that's what you got. And they're just all pretty straightforward, aren't they? I'm gonna swap out that one, and maybe one of those. That's the Squire SAL40, and these are the original pins from the IFAM Col 40, and they're just ordinary standard pins. And what Graham did was he swapped them out and he put some different pins in. I don't have that lock anymore. I've passed it on. I don't collect locks, and so therefore as soon as I've picked them and I've had in, you know, I've done it, I'm gonna get it gone. So I'm going to do the same with this one eventually. Anyway, so I'm going to do something with them. And thank you very much. Thanks for watching, folks. Bye.